Welcome back. In this video, I am starting a new series for someone who is preparing for Salesforce admin certification. So, in this video and upcoming videos, I will be presenting some practice question for Salesforce admin exam along with some options and will also show you the correct answer for all of the questions. So, let's start with question number 1. So, question number 1 is on your screen now. Try to guess the output of or the answer of this question number. I hope you are able to guess the answer. Let's see what is the answer of this question. And the answer is option A, 255. Let's move to the second question. Try to guess the answer. Let's see the answer of question number 2. Correct answer is option B, automate standard internal procedures to save time. Let's see the next question. I think we all know that data loader is used for importing and exporting data. Let's see if it is correct answer or right for. Yes, the correct answer is option B, import and export data. Let's move to the next question. I think this is a straightforward. Let's see the answer for this question. The correct answer is B, install and distribute apps. As we all know that App Exchange is used for installing and distributing apps. Let's move to the next question. Question number 5. Screen now. If you know what is a junction relationship, what is a junction object, then you will easily get. Let's see the answer. Correct answer is option D, junction. Next question is see the answer of this. And if I am taking much time to reveal the answer, then please let me comment box. What is the time duration? Keep for showing the answer of the question. See the correct answer is option B, design and modify database schema. Next question. And if you need the link of this slide, please let me know in the comment box. Let's see the correct answer is access and launch installed apps. I hope you are able to get the correct answer. Let's move to the next question. 8. screen now. If you know what is a validation rule, then you will be able to correct answer. And if you want me to like explain each question along with answer, then let me know in the comment box. The next video I will do that as well. See the answer. Correct answer is A. Force data integrity by defining criteria for record. Let's see next question. If you have created a photo dashboard in your Salesforce, then you will. Let's see the there is report builder. Let's move to the next question. What is the purpose of mobile app? Option A, import and export data. Option B, customize the user interface. Option C, access Salesforce from mobile devices and tablets. Option D, define sharing rules. Try to guess the answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. Correct answer is option C, access Salesforce mobile devices and tablets. I hope you enjoy the session, and if you want me to continue posting this kind of videos related to certification exam, options of exam practice, then please let me know in the comment box. So share the video with a friend who is preparing for Salesforce admin exam and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.